Hello student, welcome again. Myself VR Khodkumbe, and we are looking the colligative property osmotic pressure. In the previous lectures we have seen diffusion, we have seen the osmosis, we have seen osmotic pressure, we have seen isotonic solution, hypertonic solution and hypotonic solution, and we also have seen the reverse osmosis, and we also have seen the use of the reverse osmosis, that is to prepare a fresh water from the sea water. Now today's lecture we are going to see the osmotic pressure and the concentration of the solution. Students, we know that the osmotic pressure pi is directly proportional to the m. Osmotic pressure pi is directly proportional to m, that is where m is the molarity of the solution. That is, we can say that the pi is directly, or the osmotic pressure is directly proportional to the molarity of the solution. Now what is the molarity? You know about the molarity. That is, the molarity is equal to number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liter. That is the molarity. And if we consider again, if the and we also know that the osmosis or the osmotic pressure is directly proportional to the temperature of the solution. Yes, it is directly proportional to the temperature of the solution. Then we can also write down the equation that pi is equal to m r t, where the T is the temperature. Okay, T is the temperature in Kelvin, scale, and R is the proportionality constant, M is the molarity. Now this R is the proportionality constant having the value 0.0821 atmosphere per mole per Kelvin. Now this R is also the gas constant, right? You have seen in the 11th standard, the R is also the gas constant having the same value. The same value is here for the R. If we'll see if we see about the molarity, the molarity is, what is the molarity? Number of moles of solute divided by the volume of the solution. That is, number of moles means N. Number of moles of solute is equal to, suppose, N, and the volume is V. Volume of the solution is V. If we put this in this equation, then we will get pi is equal to nRT upon V. It is the nRT upon V. हमने यदि इसको ठीक से देख लिया, इस इक्वेशन को हमने ठीक से देख लिया, तो आपको ये समझ में आ जाएगा कि P इज इक्वल टू nRT अपॉन V और PV इज इक्वल टू nRT, राइट. अभी इसके ठीक से देख लिया तो आपको ये समझ में जाएगा कि ये दिस इज़ नथिंग बट द गैस लॉ. दिस इज़ नथिंग बट द गैस लॉ. Okay, gas law. What they have done then? They just here in place of gas, they just they applied this law for the liquids, and the equation becomes same. Both are the same equation. Okay. Now we are going to see the molar mass of solute from the osmotic pressure. We are going to see the molar mass of solute from the osmotic प्रेशर. तो हमका हमारा जो इक्वेशन है इधर ऊपर का, पाई इज इक्वल टू nRT अपॉन V. पाई इज इक्वल टू nRT अपॉन V. तो ये इक्वेशन अब ये इक्वेशन आपको अभी पता हो गया है. तो ये इक्वेशन में इफ़ द मास ऑफ सोल्यूट इन V liter of solution is suppose W2, if the mass of solute in V liter is, suppose it is W2, and its molar mass is m2. Then if the n is equal to W2 upon m2, okay, the number of moles will be equal to W2 upon m2. If we put these values in the above this equation, then you will get pi is equal to W2 RT upon m2 V, right? Or we can also write down as m2 is equal to W2 RT upon pi V, okay. That is that is we can find out the molar mass, or we can also find out the osmotic pressure pi by using this equation. Now we will take one of the numerical regarding this and we can solve this numerical. The numerical is the what is the molar mass of a solute if a solution is prepared by dissolving 0.800 gram of it in 200 dm cube of water, has an osmotic pressure of 149 mmHg at 298 Kelvin, right? This is our numerical and we are going to solve this numerical. तो first of all अपने को क्या करना पड़ेगा? We have to just write down the formula for this, right? We will write down the formula. M2 is equal to, correct, we have to write down this formula. M2 is equal to, because they have asked molar mass, therefore we have to write down M2 is equal to W2 RT upon pi V, okay. This is the formula. अब उसके बाद क्या करना है हमको? We have to just write down the which things they have given and what we have to find out. So first of all we will see they have given the W2. They have given the mass, that is the W2 is given. What is W2? It is equal to 0.800 gram, correct. The next one they have given is the R की वैल्यू तो हमको पता है, that is the 0.0821. This is the value of R, that is it is in dm cube atmospheric pressure Kelvin per Kelvin and per mole, okay. This is the constant, R is the constant. And then we have to write down the third one is the temperature, okay. Temperature is equal to how much? It is 298 Kelvin, okay. Then what they have given? They have also given the osmotic pressure, okay. They have given the osmotic pressure, that is the pi is the osmotic pressure, which is given in the mm of Hg, 149 mm of Hg, mmHg. तो यहाँ पे हमको इसको क्या करना है? अब इसको हमको कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर में, राइट. तो देयरफॉर यू हैव टू हियर राइट डाउन 149 डिवाइडेड बाय 760 एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर को, इसका भी हम mmHg एटमॉस्फेयर प्रेशर में अब इनको कन्वर्ट करना है. तो यहाँ पे ये भी है mm ऑफ Hg, तो ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा और यहाँ पे हमको पाई विल बी इक्वल टू, विल गेट पाई विल बी इक्वल टू 0.196 एटमॉस्फेयर, ओके, 0.196 एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर. तो अभी यहाँ पे हमको वन मोर थिंग दे हैव गिवन द वॉल्यूम. द वॉल्यूम इज गिवन इन द ml. The volume is given in the 200 ml, right? तो इसको हमें अभी डीएम क्यूब में कन्वर्ट करना है, तो इट विल बिकम 0.2 डीएम क्यूब. ओके, now we'll just put all these values in this, we'll just put all these values in this equation, and we'll just here write down, therefore m2 will be equal to हम इधर से लिखना स्टार्ट करेंगे क्योंकि हमें भी यहाँ पे फिर सब आना चाहिए. तो इधर से हम लिखेंगे m2 इज इक्वल टू इट विल बी, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमको लिखना है W2 का वैल्यू क्या है हमारा 0.800 ग्राम. ओके, उसके बाद हमारा आएगा R का वैल्यू. तो R का वैल्यू क्या है हमारा 0.0821 डीएम क्यूब एटमॉस्फेयर पर केल्विन पर मोल. ओके, देन हमारा है टेम्परेचर. तो टेम्परेचर कितना है हमारा 298 केल्विन, दैट इज इनटू 298 केल्विन. ओके, नाउ डिवाइडेड बाय, यहाँ पे पाई का वैल्यू पुटअप करना है हमको. व्हाट इज़ द पाई का वैल्यू क्या है 0.196 एटमॉस्फेयर. और उसके बाद हमको वॉल्यूम पुटअप करना है V इंटू 0.2 डीएम क्यूब. ओके, तो अभी यहाँ पे देखो, जो अभी हमको यहाँ पे क्या करना है, जो सेम जो है अभी पर मोल और मोल, अभी ये यहाँ पे हमारा कैंसिल हो जाएगा, राइट. तो 2 यहाँ पे हमने देखा, तो जो इसका फाइनल आंसर कैलकुलेट करने के बाद इट विल बिकम 499 ग्राम पर मोल. इसका आएगा 499 ग्राम पर मोल आ जाएगा ये. तो अभी इसमें क्या है कि एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर कैंसिल हो जाएगा, एक केल्विन भी कैंसिल हो जाएगा, और एडीएम क्यूब भी कैंसिल हो जाएगा. अभी यूनिट क्या बचा है यहाँ पे हमारा ग्राम, इसीलिए हमने यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है ग्राम. और पर मोल वन ऑफ दिस पर मोल, तो पर मोल, तो हमारा फाइनल आंसर क्या हो गया फिर अभी यहाँ पे, इट इज़ द फाइनल आंसर इज द m2 इज इक्वल टू 499 ग्राम पर मोल हो गया हमारा ये. तो ये दिस इज द मोलर मास ऑफ द सोल्यूट. तो therefore we can write down here the molar mass of solute is equal to 499 gram per mole, and we have just solve this numerical by using the formula m is equal to WRT upon pi v. Okay, got it? You can now solve the different problems like this. Okay, bye, take care.